Yeah, hi everyone, I'm Aliff Aziz. Once again, I'm here at Inder Aesthetics Clinic, Dr. Inder, with the one and only Datuk, Dr. Inder.
Thank you.
The only doctor yang saya yakin dan juga the only person that I trust my hair anyway from a long time ago. So in fact, I just did my beard transplant as well about 8 weeks ago, 10 weeks ago. So now I'm here for my maintenance. So what's very important is for everyone who has done a hair transplant or beard transplant, what's most important is the maintenance, because it's not like you do one time and then it's going to last forever. If you don't maintain it, you're going to lose your gains. So basically I'm here, I have to keep up with the maintenance. There's a lot of treatments for maintenance like PRP, the light treatment, laser light treatment, and of course the oral medication. So thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Sometimes kita busy, tak sempat maintain. Aliff, this is very important, so please come for maintenance. So these are my medications, some of the medication of the hair nutrients and also finasteride and everything. And you have a lot of treatments here. So pada semua yang teringin untuk buat hair transplant or beard transplant, don't be fearful. There's always ways to and alternatives to do treatment for your whatever condition you are in. But come here and ask for consultation, and I'm sure you will have a very, very pleasant time, as how I've had a very pleasant time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this review. Thank you.